Welcome to Storm EduGo. My name is Ruchi, and today we will be discussing writing task 2, that is essay writing. Okay, the type of essay that we are doing today, if you read the question, many people today enjoy watching films and TV programs about crime and criminals. This is the statement that has been given to you. What is the statement? That many people enjoy watching films and then TV programs about what? About crime and about criminals. We don't have to argue against the statement. ये statement truth है, ठीक है? What type of essay is this? पहले पूछा है why are these films and TV programs so popular? इस तरीके का films, movies ये इतने popular क्यों है? तो number 1 cause, reason, right? And पीछे पूछा है what effect do these films and TV programs have on society? So one paragraph will be cause and the other paragraph will be effect. ये क्यों होता है and इससे क्या होता है, ठीक है? Today's essay will be a little heavy on the vocabulary side. We've used a couple of difficult words. So we'll go through the meanings of the words together and we'll take them down in our notebooks, ठीक है? Also one more thing, ट्रेडिशनली हम जो लेंथ का ऐसे लिखते हैं मैंने कंपेयर टू दैट थोड़ा लंबा ऐसे लिखा है. आई माइट हैव एक्सीडेड द वर्ड काउंट बट आई हैव डन दैट सो दैट वी कैन जनरेट more ideas, we can discuss more reasons, more effects. Okay, that's why we will first look at the intro paragraph. ठीक है, this is not an opinion based essay, so आपको कहीं पे भी I, my, in my opinion, I feel that, according to me, you don't have to write that anywhere at all. In the intro para, basically you are only restating this much. Many people today enjoy watching films and TV programs about crime and criminals. Okay, first we are restating that much. Crime as a genre. What does genre mean? G-E-N-R-E. There are different genres, right? Horror, romance, mystery, comedy. Today we are talking about the genre of crime. Crime as a genre has always enticed people. Enticed का मतलब होता है आकर्षित करना, attracted. Crime as a genre has always enticed. आप लोग हमेशा people लिख देते हो, masses लिख देते हो, right? But we have replaced it with the word audiences. In this case we can say audience because when you are watching something तो आप उसके audience हुए, right? So we have substituted the word people with audience. Okay, you can't do it everywhere in any topic. It is apt for this topic. Okay, crime as a genre has always enticed audiences. People consume such content. जब आप कोई भी content पढ़ते हो, देखते हो, सुनते हो, you are taking it in, right? You are consuming it. You are not eating it literally, but you are consuming it. People consume such content with rapt attention, complete attention. देखते हैं तो देखते ही रह जाते हैं basically, right? People consume such content with rapt attention and I believe that, यहाँ पे मैंने I लिखा है but not to give an opinion, okay? And I believe that our brains are inherently wired to enjoy and yet be repulsed by these shows. Our brains are inherently मतलब अपने आप से, अंदर से, something that you don't have to learn, जो आप में पहले से अंदर है ही. So हमारे brains are wired मतलब designed. Our brains are inherently designed or wired to enjoy. एक तरफ आप enjoy भी करोगे and yet be repulsed. किसी चीज से घिन मचना, that is repulse होना. Our brains are inherently wired to enjoy and yet be repulsed by these kind of shows. Clear? Now, I have not written anything else, okay? This is just my paraphrasing of the statement given above. What is the first thing they've asked you? क्या बताना है पहले? Why? Why do we like to watch such kind of programs? Crime and criminal related चीजें देखने में क्या मजा आती है? Can you tell me one or two reasons before I show you what's on the board?
Suspense.
There is often an element of suspense that is fun. Then
It is just people want everyone's excited regarding something. Yeah, maybe save the in difficult situation.
okay, people get excited by these kind of shows, right? Okay, then
Yes.
there is a lot of action in crime movies. Mostly there is a lot of action. So that gets your adrenaline pumping, right? So it is fun. What else? Fight sequences, action, same thing. How many of you like watching crime? No one?
What is going to happen next?
Yes, the idea of not knowing what's happening next. Okay, let's see. We've come up with quite a few reasons, and मैंने bullets में लिखे हैं so that we can understand each point individually. ठीक है? First point, at the outset, crime-based TV series can be extremely suspenseful, and by watching them, audiences somehow feel as though they were part of the entire investigative process. हम बैठ के guess करते हैं ना, उधर मत जाना, बाहर मत जाना, don't open the door, because we know what's happening next. So you feel like you're actually part of it. You feel their fear, you feel their excitement. So basically it's suspenseful, and audiences somehow feel as if they are part of the entire investigative process. So a sense of relatability to the show. The second point here is, it is natural for one living in society to want the bad guys to be incriminated. What is the meaning of किसी को incriminate करना? Eliminate is निकाल देना, right? To remove something. Incriminate.
Opposite of it.
No. Incriminate means किसी को अपने crime to prove that इसने ये crime किया है. Expose करना to prove that इसने ये crime किया है. Legally उसको criminal ठहरा देना, right? To see that उनको punishment मिले for what wrong they have done. So it is very natural when you are watching a movie and you want justice, right? For the people who've had something bad happen to them. You want that the criminal को सजा मिले, वो पकड़ा जाए. So that sense of wanting the bad guys to be incriminated, right? Then, third point. Moreover, I'll use this connector over here. Moreover, the sensational manner in which such programs are portrayed keep viewers hooked. What is sensational?
When the theory get impact of
Interesting बनाना, वो आप न्यूज़ में सुनते हो ना, सनसनी खबर, right? That is sensational basically. So they sensationalize the whole thing and उसको इस तरीके से portray करते हैं that they keep the audiences hooked. You are hooked onto it. You cannot look away. ठीक है? That's the next point. Then it is also an innate desire for closure. What is innate? INNATE. It is similar to the word inherent. Innate मतलब हमारे अंदर, inside us. Okay? It is an innate desire for closure. What is closure? जानना के अंत में क्या हुआ? What happened in the end? If I show you half a movie and I switch it off, you will not get closure, right? You will not be able to sleep. You will keep wondering what happened. So that is another reason why we watch till the very end, especially these kinds of unpredictable movies where you never know what might happen next. We watch it till the end just so that we can get to know what happened in the story. Am I right? So it is also an innate desire for closure and possibly empathy, daya, to understand how someone else is feeling. That is empathy, and possibly empathy for the victims that make people watch till the end. Next point, the connector is besides, uske alawa. Besides, these movies and sitcoms are heavily sprinkled. Sprinkled मतलब पिज्जा के ऊपर आप स्प्रिंकल करते हो ना, छिड़कना. Okay, these sitcoms are heavily sprinkled with an element of drama and plot twist कभी भी बदल जाता है, which is undoubtedly entertaining to the masses. You find these reasons apt? इन reasons की वजह से कोई crime देखता होगा. Do you think so? Yes? Okay. Now, this comma is a mistake. यहाँ पे comma नहीं होना चाहिए. Next point मैंने ऐसे introduce किया है. Another thought that comes to mind is that people sometimes see criminals as some sort of masterminds, and the feats that they pull off are outrageous to many. Sometimes criminals, the anti-hero, they are glamorized so much and they pull off such risky crimes that हम उनको देख के भी impress हो जाते हैं, right? There are many movies where the robbers are made to look very attractive, fashionable, things like that. So the feats they pull off, वो लोग जो difficult चीजें कर लेते हैं, the feats that they pull off, they are very outrageous to many people. So I think a long time back, when we had the movies, the series Dhoom picture जब release हुई थी, right? People really liked watching their criminal life and things like that, right? So that is another thing that happens when the criminals are glamorized, okay? Can you give me examples of any movies like that? I gave you a very old example, something recent. What? War, I have not seen it. Jack Sparrow. Pritima, anything? You're a movie buff.
I ain't sure when.
No? Okay. ठीक है. We'll move ahead. Last point of body para 1. एक negative side लिया है. Unfortunately, some people could also be viewing such content for ideas and motivation. You might watch a movie where somebody flawlessly robbed a bank, and you might start thinking, let me make a plan to rob a bank, right? So there are people who could be watching such things for ideas and motivation. Now we will move on to body para 2. What has been asked from us? Effect. What happens, right? What is the effect on society when we watch so many crime-based shows? Now, let's see the first point here. हम directly effects पे नहीं आ रहे हैं. हम previous para से connect कर रहे हैं. Previous para में reasons की बात हुई थी, ठीक है? Although the reasons are plentiful. Reasons बहुत सारे थे, plentiful. Some benign and others not so much. Some reasons were benign, harmless, जिससे कोई नुकसान नहीं है. So, for example, if you have a tumor, ठीक है, the doctor will tell you आपका tumor या तो benign है, which means cancerous. Sorry, benign is harmless. He will tell you या तो आपका tumor malignant है, malignant मतलब cancerous, या तो फिर benign है, not cancerous. So here benign means harmless. It does not harm anyone. Okay. So although the reasons are plentiful, some benign and others not so much, violence has an undeniable impact on the individual viewer and also on the society. Let's see what that impact is. Number 1, evidently, with evidence. Evidently, excessive exposure. Excessive is atishay, too much, okay? Excessive exposure to such movies will instill, हमारे अंदर डालना, will instill in us a sense of doom, negativity. सब बुरा ही होगा. Thinking like that, okay? It will instill in us a sense of doom and make us view the world with negativity, okay? I used to tell my mom to not watch too much Saudhan India because I was scared. Then she'll view everything with negativity, right? Okay. Next point. It could lead to depression and paranoid behavior. Paranoid behavior, डर जाना. मैं कुछ भी देखूं मुझे लगेगा ये चोर है, ये मर्डरर है. I should run away. I'll be scared all the time, right? So that is feeling depressed or paranoid behavior. Such shows are infamous. Now look in this word here, infamous. Okay? अगर आप कोई अच्छी चीज करके प्रख्यात हो जाते हो तो आप फेमस हो. बट आप कोई बुरी चीज करके जाने जाते हो तो आप इनफेमस या तो नोटोरियस हो. Notorious and infamous also mean famous, but that is if you do something bad. Okay, that's the difference between famous on one side, infamous and notorious on the other side. All right, such shows are infamous for promoting antisocial behavior among vulnerable adolescents who emulate the acts shown on TV. What is the meaning of emulate करना? Imitate करना, नकल उतारना, copy करना. That is emulate करना. When young people watch these things on TV, they might try to emulate it. Okay? This revelation मतलब खुलासा, रिवील करना. हम कुछ रिवील कर देते हैं ना. This revelation is sufficient to establish a direct and positive correlation between what? Increasing levels of crime in society and popularity of such shows. Direct and positive correlation का meaning ये होता है कि एक चीज बढ़ती है तो दूसरी भी बढ़ती है. Direct and negative correlation, direct and positive correlation. So यहाँ पे what it means is increasing levels of crime and popularity of such shows. When one increases, the other also increases. So the direct and positive correlation between both. That is one way of saying it. Is it clear? Pakka? Okay. However, I feel compelled. Compelled का मतलब होता है forced. It kind of means that मुझे ये करना ही पड़ा. I was compelled to do it. ठीक है? However, I feel compelled to discuss the positive repercussions affected by such content. Repercussion का मतलब होता है consequences, नतीजा. ठीक है? So crime and crime related shows. मुझे क्वेश्चन में ऐसा तो नहीं पूछा है ना कि मुझे खाली नेगेटिव इफेक्ट्स बताने हैं. If I want, I can mention the positive effects as well. So I have mentioned a positive effect here. So I have written however. इसलिए मैंने कनेक्टर में however लिया है. ठीक है? However, I feel compelled to discuss the positive repercussions affected by such content. Now, what is positive? Number one, in a way, they want people to remain cautious. Cautious मतलब सतर्क, सावधान, careful, right? It wants people to remain cautious. Alright, so our next point is various horrific incidents are brought to light by movies that are based on real life events, and this acts as a catalyst for people to assume responsibility for their safety. Let us first look into the meaning of the word catalyst. So when we talk in terms of chemistry, anything that makes a process go faster is known as a catalyst. So catalyst is basically a push. So what we are saying here is that there are many crime-based movies and shows that are actually based on real incidents or events. Now these kind of programs, they encourage people to take responsibility for their own safety. Moving on to the next point, let's talk about the psychology of a criminal can be better understood by watching such movies, and it helps parents and teachers identify unnatural behaviors. So sometimes there are children, when they are young, they start exhibiting criminal tendencies or they start exhibiting alarming behaviors which might be an indicator of their future criminal proclivities. Now, seeing these behaviors at an early age and being trained to recognize them, by doing so we can give these children the help that they need and we can actually prevent them from choosing a life of crime in the future. So we've talked about both positive and negative impacts of watching crime-based shows. Now we will move on straight to the conclusion. Keep your conclusions very short to the point. Brevity is a very important aspect of IELTS writing tasks specifically. So to summarize, or in this case, to reprise, I would still advise people to practice caution while viewing such content. It is crucial, which means important. It is crucial to stay away from dramatized or sensationalized material that glamorizes criminal activity. So, quick reminder, in today's topic, we've discussed IELTS writing task 2, that is essay writing. The type of essay that we did today was cause and effect. There are many different kinds of essays and I will be discussing the format of all of them right here every Sunday. Apart from task 2, we'll also be discussing the most likely to be asked speaking cue card questions. So if you want to do your entire IELTS prep from home with Storm Edugo, join us every Sunday at 2 p.m. Thank you.